Are you ready for a smartphone that could shake up the entire market? Nokia is back with a beast of a device, the Nokia X500 5G. With a massive 7,000 mAh battery, cutting-edge features, and an aggressive price, this smartphone aims to redefine what we expect from Nokia. Stay tuned as we uncover the first look, camera capabilities, performance, release date, and everything you need to know about this upcoming Nokia flagship. Nokia has always been known for durability and timeless design, and the X500 5G is no exception. The device features a premium glass metal sandwich design with a polished aluminum frame, offering both aesthetics and sturdiness. The back panel houses a quad-camera setup in a circular module reminiscent of classic Nokia PureView phones. With Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection and an IP68 rating, it's built to withstand daily wear and tear, making it a solid choice for durability enthusiasts. When it comes to the display, the Nokia X500 5G packs a 6.8-inch QHD AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. This means buttery smooth animations, vibrant colors, and deep blacks, perfect for gaming, media consumption, and productivity. With HDR10+ support and 2000 nits peak brightness, outdoor visibility will be top-notch, making it one of the brightest displays in the segment. Powering the Nokia X500 5G is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, a 4-in-1 powerhouse known for exceptional performance and efficiency. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or editing 4K videos, this phone will handle it all effortlessly. Paired with 12 GB to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 256 GB 5 and 112 GB UFS 4.0 storage, performance is seamless with no lags or slowdowns. And for the gamers out there, the Adreno 740 GPU ensures ultra-smooth gameplay with ray tracing support. Now let's talk about cameras, where Nokia has always excelled. The Nokia X500 5G is rumored to feature a 108-megapixel OIS primary sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 12-megapixel telephoto, 5x zoom, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. For selfies and video calls, a 44-megapixel front camera ensures crisp, detailed shots. With Nokia's Zeiss optics and AI image processing, expect natural color reproduction, stunning night mode shots, and pro-level video recording. One of the biggest highlights of the Nokia X500 5G is its massive 7,000 mAh battery. This means 2-day battery life on heavy use and up to 12 hours of continuous gaming. And if you're worried about charging time, fear not. With 100W fast charging, it can go from 0 to 100% in just 40 minutes. Plus, it supports 50W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, perfect for topping up your earbuds or smartwatch. The Nokia X500 5G runs on Android 14 with Nokia's minimalistic UI, ensuring a bloatware-free experience with smooth performance. Nokia promises 3 years of major Android updates and 5 years of security patches, a deal-breaker for longevity seekers. Additional features include an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, and an advanced haptic motor for immersive feedback. As the name suggests, 5G is at the heart of this device. The Nokia X500 5G supports dual SIM 5G with global bands, ensuring you get blazing fast speeds anywhere in the world. Other connectivity options include Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC, and USB-C 3.2, making it a future-proof device in every aspect. Now the big question, how much will it cost? The Nokia X500 5G is expected to start at $599 for the base model, 12GB, 256GB, while the higher-end 16GB, 512GB variant could be priced at $799. As for the release date, leaks suggest a Q4 2025 launch, with pre-orders starting in October and retail availability by November. So, should you buy the Nokia X500 5G? If you want a premium flagship with an unbeatable battery life, top-tier performance, and a stock Android experience, this phone is definitely worth considering. But if you're looking for crazy AI features, super fast updates, or ultra-premium cameras, you might want to wait for competitors like the Pixel 9 Pro or Galaxy S25 Ultra. Overall, the Nokia X500 5G is a solid contender in 2025's flagship market, proving that Nokia is still a brand to watch. That's it for today's video. What do you think about the Nokia X500 5G? Would you buy it? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.